Brought to you by JEGS.
Hi, I'm Joel of LEED Brakes, and I have one of our master cylinder kits here for 1964.5 to 66 Mustangs with manual disc brakes. It's part number FC0001HK. And this kit upgrades your car from the factory single bowl master cylinder to a dual bowl manual brake setup easily. With this kit, you'll receive the installation instructions, a 1-inch bore dual bowl master cylinder, the brake lines necessary to route from the new master cylinder to the factory 3-port distribution block, as well as a union which will be installed to your rear brake line with the hard line supplied. Additionally, we include an adjustable proportioning valve which allows you to fine-tune the amount of brake pressure at your brakes, preventing rear wheel lockup. We also have an option for 4-wheel drum brake cars, and that kit is part number FC0034HK.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.